Revamp! Today we're going to turn this, I don't know what you call it, some knitted cardigan shirt, to a turtleneck. Yes, since we notice Korean idol wear them more often. You see, the neck is too big that actually two heads could fit in it. So just stitch both shoulders to make the neck more accurate and fitted.
I tried stitching with the sewing machine, but I think it's better if we use the hand stitching.
Next, cut the hem of the shirt. Since the back of the hem is longer, now we'll use that to make the neck extension.
Indeed!
I tried stitching with the sewing machine, but I think it's better if we use the hand stitching to prevent the fabric from stretching. Grab the lower fabric, then hand stitch it with the neck. I don't know what you call the type of stitch, but you can see what we're trying to do here. Stretch to the left, down, then up again. Stretch to the left, down, then up again. Bravo! Stretch to the left, down, then up again. Stretch to the left, down, then up again. After the hole, stretch to the left, down and up, about the neck, do the same thing with the edge. Stretch to the left, down, then up again. Stretch to the left, down, then up again. Lock it by doing a knot. Oh gosh, this thing is hard to get my head in. But anyway, I manage. After that, we have a little thing here to secure the neck. So just stitch it. There we go. Just in, then out, just in, then out. Remember, Never stitch it if you didn't test if it's the right side. Then we're done! You can use it anywhere, just like webinars, interviews through Zoom, or whatnot. Remember to be classy.
1, 2, 3.
Thanks for watching, and this is us saying what you wear doesn't define you. But people may judge you, so wear your confidence. If you like this video, we have a playlist here, so check them out. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified. Hasta la vista, baby!